Hello, my very talented class. Are we ready for this one? Here we go. So I want you to have the printed assignment out in front of you while I'm navigating you through this page. But before we do any of that, let me just remind you of what we're talking about here. So how do you, the citizen, how do you, the voter, very soon voter for most of you guys, how do you get your information about candidates? How do you get information about what platforms they have, what policies they have, what they believe in, what they're fighting for in Congress? How do you get that? Well, a huge way is through campaign advertising, and it's been happening on television since 1952. And this website, livingroomcandidate.org, has libraried many of those commercials, starting in the beginning all the way to 2012. So if you see for the first part of your assignment, I ask you to go through each year and watch two commercials, one from a Democrat and one from a Republican. Well, here's how you navigate that part. To the left of your screen here, underneath the blue tab, it says commercials. Just click on one. I will start with the first one, 1952. And up will pop who was elected and commercials from that year. So Eisenhower versus Stevenson. Under these tabs to the right of the screen, this 1952 breaks down the election. The next one breaks down each candidate, Eisenhower, Stevenson, and this final tab gives you the results of that election. Down here is what I was talking about, the Republican and Democrat. It has split it up for you. So click on any one of these to watch a Republican commercial and any one of these to watch Democrat commercial. Now, continue to navigate through this side until you get to 2012, answering the questions I asked you to. The next topic requires you to understand the different types of commercials that political campaigns use. To complete that part of the assignment, I'm going to need you to click on this types of commercial on the left-hand side of your screen, right here. You have to double click, and up here it pops what they are. Types of commercial. Backfire is one kind. On here on the same side that the election year commercials were, are the lists of different types of commercials. Backfire, biographical, children's, commander-in-chief. From each of these, I would like you to read the little blurb and then watch them.
How's that again, General? In the 1952 campaign,
Here's
the
how
General...
you pause. Here's how you rewind down here, and this goes for all videos that you're watching, and fast forward.
How's that again, General?
So that's clear, and answer the questions that I've had for this section. And then the final part of your assignment asks you about issues. So hold on one second while I click on here. Issues. Again, that was on the left-hand side of the screen, and different types of issues will pop up. So change, civil rights, corruption, taxes, war, welfare. And I want you to do the same thing and watch all of these. And once that's done, I want you to journal about it. But that's how you get through this particular site. As always, if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me any of the ways you know how.